Making money in the stock market really isn't that hard, and a lot of people make it harder than it really is. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn a profit in the stock market by finding good swing trade opportunities. If you like this kind of content, be sure to smash the like button down below. Also, hit the subscribe button, join the family if you like more daily content revolving around the stock market. Let's get into it. One of my strategies that I use to find good swing trade opportunities is looking at the 180-day time frame. This time frame gives me good levels to look at, such as support, resistance, and overall direction that the stock is moving. So as an example, this is Zoom. I've already identified levels, right? We have a double top up here, right? This is acting as a resistance level. Another resistance level is right here at 340, and we are testing support in this general area right here, okay? If we can hold support, then we might be able to catch a little bit of recovery. Now, am I saying it's gonna go all the way back up to $400? Probably not. But if I wanted to enter this trade, I could get in at this support level and ride it back up to this next resistance level right here at 340 to catch an 18% return. Okay, you can do this for any stock. All you got to do is go on the 180-day time frame, look at levels, find support, find resistance, find a good entry point and a good exit point, and you can make trades just like this one. Now, could this keep selling off? Yes. This stock could break support and go down. At that point, I would probably buy more because I believe in this company. This is a high conviction stock for me. So I would probably buy more on a further dip. Another tip is to go in with a position size that you can manage and you can handle. A lot of people make the mistake of going all in on a stock and then it dropping and then their stomach dropping with the stock, right? You get overly emotional and then you panic sell and lose out on money. So if you do decide to go in on a stock for a swing trade, go in with a position size that you can tolerate and you can manage. And if it does pull back, you can buy more on that dip. This is another example of what I look for in a stock, right? If I go on the 180-day time frame, I can see that this stock has had a consistent uptrending pattern. This stock sold off due to one, news, and the overall market selling off with it. This stock has been on a good uptrending pattern. So now that we're catching it at this low right here, right? We're catching it at these lows. I could go in on this stock now and then ride it back up to say this resistance level, right? We have a top right here. This will act as a resistance. I can ride it back up to that resistance level. It's only a 3.4% return, but I believe in this stock long term. So if you wanted to hold this for a longer period of time, you could ride this stock back up to 157 at all-time highs and catch an 8% return. Okay, but the overall point of this is identifying which stocks are on an uptrend, finding their lows and catching them at their lows. That way you can get in for a good deal and ride it back up for a recovery. A lot of people make the mistake of saying, oh my gosh, this thing is making all-time highs, it's at $157 and it just keeps going. And then they buy in this area right here and then bang, look what happens, right? Especially when they buy with a position size that is way too big for them to tolerate. So some people could have went all in on their position size right here and then bang, this thing sold off 6%, 7%. And now they're getting way too emotional and they're either stuck holding a bag or they've already panic sold and lost a lot of money. So in this situation right here, now that I identified that this stock has been on an uptrending pattern and we're catching it at a low right here, I would enter this stock myself and ride it back up. Now, these are the strategies that work for me. This is what meets my criteria as a trader. Obviously, do your own due diligence, do your own research, and find what works for you. But for me, if I'm looking to make money in the stock market, these are the strategies that I follow. If you like this kind of content, again, be sure to smash the like button down below, hit the subscribe button if you want more daily content revolving around the stock market. And guys, I will catch you in the next one. Peace.